Now that you have some idea of what to expect in this program as a whole, I'd like to tell you a little more about what's in store for you in this course. We'll start with the basics, exploring what e-commerce and digital marketing are and what people in these industries do on a day-to-day basis. We'll also cover some of the core skills for success in digital marketing and e-commerce roles, including some you might already have, and how this program will help you build them. Then we'll explore the current landscape of job opportunities. You'll learn about some of the opportunities available for entry-level job seekers and the responsibilities that go with them. This information should get you thinking about your interests and how they can help you find a fulfilling career path. Later on in the course, we'll explore some tools for engaging potential customers and driving online sales. We'll find out what goes into creating digital marketing strategies and discover some tactics they can use to reach customers, like digital ads, email, and social media. Lastly, we'll cover why it's important to measure and interpret the results of those tactics and how businesses use those insights to improve their overall strategies. We'll also provide a few more career tips to keep in mind as you continue on to the next course. That's all coming at you down the road. Right now, we're going to go over some resources that will help you get the most out of this program. I'm so excited for you to start this journey. Let's get right to it.